First, open your image, then select your image. Press Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+V. Now press Ctrl+T and set your image. Right-click and choose Skew. Go to Filter, choose Vanishing Point. Select Create Panel. Click on points of your plane. You have a perspective grid. Select the Stamp tool. While holding the Alt key on your keyboard, click on one of the corners of the image to use it as a clone reference point. Move your cursor to any point and simply click and drag to clone the image. If you want to make another copy, there is no need to select the clone reference point again. I hope you enjoyed this video.